5 simple tricks to make your kitchen counter shine like new. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about 5 simple tricks to make your kitchen counter sparkle. If your kitchen counter looks cloudy, greasy, or just not as shiny as it used to be, this video is for you. Today we're sharing the 5 best ways to make your kitchen countertop sparkle, quick, simple, and effective. 1. Daily microfiber wipe down. The easiest habit for a sparkling counter is a daily wipe down with a microfiber cloth and a few drops of mild dish soap. Microfiber lifts grease and dust without scratching, leaving your countertop streak-free. 2. Use a pH-neutral cleaner. Skip harsh chemicals like vinegar or bleach. They can dull quartz, granite, and porcelain surfaces. Instead, use a pH-neutral cleaner. Spray, let it sit for 20 to 30 seconds, then wipe dry. Your countertop will look instantly refreshed. 3. Remove stains with baking soda paste. For tough stains, make a paste with baking soda and water. Apply it to the stain, leave it for 5 minutes, and wipe gently. It lifts deep residue without abrasive scrubbing. 4. Buff dry for shine. Never leave your countertop too air dry. Water spots create a dull look. After cleaning, buff with a dry soft towel to bring out that natural shine. 5. Use a surface polish occasionally. Once or twice a month, use a recommended surface polish for your countertop material. Apply a small amount and buff in circular motions. This restores gloss and adds a protective layer. Place frequently used items like oil bottles on a tray. This prevents stains and makes the counter easier to clean. And that's it. 5 easy ways to keep your kitchen counters looking spotless and shiny every day. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more home improvement tips. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.